Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto 9 watch and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your Suunto 9 watch, you will need a couple of things. First thing you will need is access to a computer that has the internet connection, because you need to download and install application on the computer to factory reset our watch. And second thing you will need is a charging cable that was provided with the watch, and it looks like this. We have the USB end and the end with the pins that you will use to plug your watch, rather this end plugs to your watch. So once you have the access to the computer with the internet and the charging cable, we can continue. And now we need to go to our computer and we need to download the SuuntoLink application, download and install it. So open some kind of web browser. I'm gonna use Chrome browser, but you can use any browser you like. And once you open the browser, type in SuuntoLink. Basically, you can type in this address, suunto.com/software-support/SuuntoLink. Once you type in this address, you can just enter, and it will direct you to this page. And here we have SuuntoLink application, and we can download it. And as you can see, we have download for Mac or download for Windows. Depending on which operating system you're using, you need to download appropriate version. I already have the file downloaded on my computer, right? Where was it? Somewhere here. And downloads right here. But if you need to download it, simply click on the appropriate link and it will start downloading the application. For some reason, Google detects this as a not verified file. I don't know why. It's weird because this is the official site. So if you have a problem, you can click on download and it's gonna download it anyway. Okay, I'm gonna cancel this because I already have the file downloaded. And once you download the file, you can click on it to start the installation. And after application is done installing, it will launch, and that's how it looks like. You have the application. And after the application launches, you basically what you need to do is to plug your watch to a computer. To do it, grab the USB end of the cable, this one, and plug it to your computer. Basically, any USB port on the computer. And then grab the second end of the cable with the pins. And plug it to your watch, and it goes only one way basically, because you need to align the pins on the plug and the watch, and it's magnetic, so if you try to put it on the wrong way, it's not gonna snap, but if you put it the right way, it's gonna snap to the watch. This, and once it snaps, the app should detect the watch automatically, and here we have it. Let's wait until it's done connecting. Okay. It's still syncing for some reason, so let's wait a couple more seconds. Okay, and here we have it. Once it's done syncing, you can click on the menu icon right here. Open the menu, click on watches, and then under the Suunto 9 you should see the option reset all settings. Click on it, click on reset all settings button, and then click on the reset watch button to confirm. And now we need to wait. While this is happening, while the watch is resetting, do not unplug it. Keep it plugged into your PC. This is very important. Okay, and once you see the message that says that watch is up to date, and you see the check mark on the screen right here, it means that the factory reset is complete. Also on your watch, you will see that select language option appeared on the screen, which also indicates that the factory reset is complete. And once it's done, you can simply unplug your watch from the computer And that's about it. That's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.